In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom email signature in just 5 minutes. Creating a polished, professional email signature is an excellent way to enhance your digital correspondence and ensure your messages leave a lasting impression. So let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by opening your email account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner for a little gear icon, which is your settings button. Give it a click. This button holds the key to accessing all your email settings beyond just the basics you're used to, giving us the tools we need to craft the perfect signature. Next, from the drop down menu, select the option that says See All Settings. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find it, it'll be right there in the drop down section. Clicking this will take you straight to the heart of your email settings page. Here, you're given a comprehensive overview of all the customizable options available for your email account. Now, with the settings menu open, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Signature. It's typically nestled somewhere in the General Settings tab. Once you spot it, you're on the right track. This section is solely dedicated to creating and managing the visual flair that accompanies every email you send. Once there, look for a button that says Create New and click on it. A small text box will pop up asking you to type in a name for your new signature. This name is purely for organizational purposes, especially useful if you manage multiple signatures for various purposes or email accounts. Once you've decided on a name, click the Create button. This will bring up a fresh blank field where your creativity can run wild. In this message field, start typing the content of your email signature. Keep it concise yet informative, perhaps your name, your position, and crucial contact details like a phone number or company website. Feel free to play around with fonts, colors, and spacing to suit your professional style. Your email signature is a mini extension of your brand, so you want it to reflect your personality or corporate identity. If you're feeling adventurous, you can further enhance the visual impact of your signature by adding an image such as your company logo or your professional headshot. To do this, locate the insert image icon within the editor, follow the prompts to upload or link the desired image, and adjust its size and placement to complement the text. Finally, after you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to save your masterpiece. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on the Save Changes button. This is crucial. Without saving, all your hard work won't be applied. And there you have it. Your new custom signature will now automatically appear at the bottom of your emails. By following these steps, you've successfully personalized your email experience, ensuring every message you send showcases your professionalism. Keep these tips in mind the next time you want to update your signature, and enjoy that extra touch of professionalism in every email.